In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can change default app. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down to access apps section. Click on default apps and pick one of those options. I want to change my browser apps, I have to click on it. Select Firefox in order to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!